Now let's make the egg. Got some fresh tomatoes and onions. I'm gonna cut my tomatoes. This time I'm not gonna add the seeds. Just remove the seeds because sometimes it adds too much moisture in the egg, and I don't want that. So when you remove the seeds like this, it reduces the moisture. You see that? So much. If you add it in your egg, it's gonna make it so watery. I don't want that. If you understand what I mean. You guys, I'm done cutting the onions and the tomatoes. Now let's put everything together. Now add your oil. Now add the onions. Now add your seasoning. You guys, I don't add any other spices when frying my eggs. Only salt and the seasoning cube. Then sardine or any other protein you want to add. I like to keep mine simple so that you hear the taste of egg, not interrupting it with other spices. But this is me. You can do what is best for you. Stir and allow it to fry a bit before adding eggs. While frying their eggs, I'm gonna go ahead and boil their milk. You guys, some people drink their milk cold or they warm it in the microwave. For me, I like boiling mine. Now add your eggs, your whisked eggs. At this point, lower your heat. Lower your heat. Lower your heat, cover and allow to cook or fry. Yep. Look at that. So good. Very juicy. You like your egg juicy or you like it dry? Always juicy. Juicy is the best. Of the heat. All done. I added chocolate powder in the milk and it's ready. I'm gonna share it for them. Emmanuel, your egg is ready.
Your hands are cold.
Emmanuel's portion.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Daniel's portion. Wisdom's portion. Wisdom's portion. And Favor's portion.
Thank you, Ma.
You guys, this is mine. My little tea.